Embark on a journey through automotive history. With the 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS, the paragon of American muscle car excellence, this iconic vehicle has captivated enthusiasts for decades with its potent performance, distinctive design, and enduring legacy. Historical evolution. The Chevrolet Chevelle, introduced in 1964, underwent significant transformations, leading up to the 1970 model year. By 1970, the Chevelle had embraced a more aggressive and aerodynamic Coke bottle styling, characterized by its sleek lines and muscular stance. This design evolution not only enhanced its aesthetic appeal, but also improved its performance capabilities. Performance and specifications. At the heart of the 1970 Chevelle SS lies a formidable 454 cubic inch V8 engine. This powerhouse was available in two configurations: the LS5, delivering 360 horsepower, and the legendary LS6, boasting an impressive 450 horsepower. The LS6 variant, equipped with a single 4-barrel 800 CFM Holley carburetor, produced 500 lb-ft of torque at 3,600 RPM, propelling the Chevelle SS from 0 to 60 in approximately 6 seconds. This remarkable performance solidified its reputation as one of the most powerful muscle cars of its era. Interior and design. Inside, the 1970 Chevelle SS offered a driver-focused cockpit that combined functionality with comfort. The interior featured high-quality materials, with options for bucket seats and center console. Instrumentation was designed for clarity and ease of use, providing drivers with essential information at a glance. The exterior design was complemented by distinctive features, such as the power dome hood, black accented grille, and optional racing stripes, which added to its aggressive demeanor. Market value and collectability. Today, the 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS remains a highly sought-after classic. Its value has appreciated over the years, with well-preserved models commanding significant prices in the collector car market. Recent data indicates that the average price for a 1970 Chevelle SS in good condition is approximately $82,233. However, prices can vary based on factors such as originality, rarity, and overall condition. For instance, certain models have been listed for sale at prices ranging from $66,970 to over $150,900. These figures underscore the enduring appeal and investment potential of this classic muscle car. Join our community. Immerse yourself in the rich legacy of the 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS by joining our community of automotive enthusiasts. Subscribe to our channel for exclusive content, in-depth reviews, restoration tips, and a platform to connect with fellow classic car aficionados. Together, let's celebrate the enduring charm and performance of this iconic American muscle car.